If you have some data in a column, but the width of the content is longer than the cell, so you can manually adjust the whole column to fit everything. And this is done by going to the column letter and on the right border. And you just click twice like this. And it will adjust the width to be equal to the longest cell, the content of the longest cell, like this case, San Francisco. Similarly, you can also shrink the size of columns that are too wide for its data. And this is also done by clicking on the right border of the column letter, like this. The slow way to auto adjust the width of multiple columns is to first click on a column letter, let's say B, then you hold Shift and click on the last column that you want, let's say J, and this will choose all the columns in between. Next, you right click, resize columns, fit to data, and OK. And this will resize all the selected columns. Now, let's say you don't want all of them resized. You just want 2 or 3 of them. Let's say B, D, and F. So you choose the first one, B, hold Control, and you click on D, F, or and whatever other columns you want. Then you right click again, resize the selected columns, fit to data, and it's done. And the fastest way to auto adjust multiple columns is to select the ones you want. Let's say B through F, and then you just click twice on the border of any of them, and it will auto adjust all of them. But this also works with columns that are not contiguous. Let's say B, D, and F again. So if you click twice on the border of one of them, it will auto adjust them all. Doesn't matter which one you click on. This is the fastest way and the way I recommend to do it.